Welcome back, friends. Let's try some dum aloo today. The recipe is very simple with few basic ingredients available in the kitchen. Peel the potatoes, wash them thoroughly and cut them into halves. Fry the potatoes in refined oil till golden brown. As you can see, the potatoes are turning golden brown. I will keep them aside. Now in the same pan, take mustard oil. When the oil heats up, add the basic whole garam masala like bay leaves, cardamom, black pepper, cloves, cinnamon, etc. Then add chopped onions and green chilies. Fry them till they turn golden brown. Now add the ginger garlic paste, cumin, red chili and onion paste. Fry these for 5 to 6 minutes. Stir it occasionally. Now add turmeric and red chili powder. When the masala mix is cooked and oil is separated, add chopped tomatoes and cook for few more minutes. Add salt to taste. Then add half cup of water so that the tomatoes are cooked properly. Now the cooked masala is ready, so add the fried potatoes and mix it properly till all the potatoes are coated with the masala paste. Now add hot water to it, mix it properly and cover it. You can also add kasuri methi or coriander leaves to it. So your dum aloo is ready. Serve it with rice or roti.